In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete spam emails in Gmail automatically so you can keep your inbox clean without manually sorting through junk every single day. If you get constant unwanted emails, promotions, or annoying fee messages from the same sender, this method is one of the fastest ways to filter them out before they ever clutter your inbox. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.googledoc.com. This will take you straight into Gmail, where you can manage your inbox settings and create custom filters. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. From the menu, select See All Settings. Now you'll be taken to the full Gmail settings page. At the top, click the tab that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the section where Gmail lets you build rules for emails you want to organize, block, or delete automatically. It's a really useful feature if you want to stop spam messages from showing up in your inbox again. Next, click Create a New Filter. A pop-up window will appear with different fields you can use to identify the emails you want Gmail to catch. You can fill this out using the sender email address, which is helpful if a specific person or company keeps sending unwanted emails. You can also use keywords if the spam messages always contain certain words in the subject line or email body. Another option is to enter a domain name, which is useful if you want to block all emails coming from a certain website or company. The more specific you are here, the better the filter will work. For example, if you only want to delete emails from one exact sender, enter their email address. If you want to catch a broader set of spam messages, use a keyword or domain that appears in those messages repeatedly. Once you've entered the details, click Create Filter. Gmail will now show you a list of actions you can apply to that filter. This is the important part. Check the box that says Delete It. That tells Gmail to automatically send any matching email straight to the trash instead of letting it reach your inbox. If you want Gmail to also clean up the old emails that already match this rule, you can optionally check. Also apply filter to matching conversations. That way, the filter doesn't just work on future messages, but also on existing conversations already sitting in your inbox. After that, click Create Filter again to save everything. From this point forward, Gmail will automatically delete any new emails that match the rules you created. No more manually deleting the same spam over and over again. It's a simple setup, but it can save you a lot of time and make your inbox feel much more manageable. If you want to stop spam from a different sender, just repeat the same process and create another filter. You can build as many filters as you need for different emails, keywords, or domains. That's one of the best things about Gmail filters. They give you a lot of control over your inbox without needing any extra tools. So that's how to delete spam emails in Gmail automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Gmail tips, email cleanup tricks, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.